I welcome you all to Rashtrapati Niketan. The idea behind Rashtrapati Niketan is to connect with the audience, with the people of India, and to hold the spirit of democracy. So that was the whole idea for opening Rashtrapati Niketan for the public. And recently it was inaugurated. See here, this was all renovated recently. There is a heritage building here. Apart from that, the PBG, the commandant used to stay here. The horses also stayed here. And as I will move, and I will keep guiding you, and I'll show you around.
So are the horses still here or are they shifted somewhere else?
No, right now the construction is going on, so that is why the horses are not here. Once that is completed, then the horses will also come.
Okay.
So basically it was a retreat for the horses in 1838. And first the Governor General was there, then the Viceroys came, and after the independence, the President of India bodyguards, as it is called now. So then they started staying there. Alright, it's called the Rokri Garden.
Okay.
Because it is on the built on the rock, there is a tank here, and from there this water supply is done. There is a souvenir shop there and a cafeteria there.
Alright.
So once we complete this tour, you can go and have a look there.
Right.
Okay, so we'll just move towards the main building. Place in this particular area. The building you can see here, this is of the blind school.
Okay.
So, in the World War II, many soldiers were blinded, so they came here for their treatment.
Okay.
And as of now, this is used for the visually handicapped children, their education, their their treatment. That is all done here. There's also a braille machine, which is also here. Earlier, this campus was one.
Okay.
But once it was opened for the public, that is the time when we got these barricades done.
Okay. Alright.
गार्डन है और आगे वहाँ पे फाउंटेन है.
Looking beautiful.
Recent renovation है.
This is looking very beautiful. We can't step inside, can we?
You can, but I think it is very slippery inside.
Okay.
थोड़ा muddy और
Okay, okay, let it be, let it be.
ये नीचे जाके stables हैं, जो मैंने आपको बताया था ना.
Okay.
Here the stables are being constructed. So, like I said, in 1838, it was for the first time used by the president's forces. So what happened was that there was Governor General Warren Hastings. Okay, so he contributed 50 soldiers and horses, and then there was Raja of Banaras. He contributed another 50 horses. So that is how the PBG or the Governor General bodyguard, they came into existence.
Okay.
And because the Delhi was too hot that time, the summers were very hot, and Dehradun used to be very cool. So they used to come here as a retreat.
Okay.
So before
After
even-
wars and all that.
Yeah, so even before the president, it was the horses who were staying here in this campus.
Campus.
Yeah.
About it.
Acha.
In National Geographic.
Okay.
About the president bodyguard. They have their horse.
They are of the German breed. So they feel very hot because of their German breed, and they are extremely tall, and they are beautiful horses. And even the PBG soldiers, you see, they are also above 6 feet tall.
Okay.
That is the criteria. If somebody has to get into PBG, they have to be 6 feet tall.
Okay.
That is the cutoff.
ये है एम्फी थिएटर, यहीं से मैं बता देता हूँ इसके बारे में। ये रंगमंच है, 19 जून को इसका इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है। श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू ने इसका इनॉग्रेशन किया।
feet high.
Okay.
So similar flag is there in Hyderabad also. It is on a wooden pole. और ये वाला metallic पे.
Okay.
ये हमारी main building है. Now this was constructed in 1920. Okay, you see those two lights over there? So whenever the president resides inside, these two lights are switched on and a flag is mounted.
Okay.
Yeah, which means that the president is here
okay.
and the 5-kilometer radius area is cordoned off.
Okay.
And this is the rose garden here. Right now the roses are not blooming because of the rain.
Yes, too much of it.
Yeah, but in winters it will be better. This is the hanging garden and there is a drip irrigation through which the water comes in this particular wall garden.
Okay.
The pipes are visible at the top.
हाँ, वो ऊपर से पाइप
हाँ
से
जी।
ड्रॉप करके पानी आता है.
हाँ जी.
Now inside the building the photography will not be allowed, but
Okay.
you can take the pictures from outside.
Okay.
Okay, अभी हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे तो अंदर allowed नहीं.
Under allowed. Okay.